Oh, my college self would probably say, welcome back. And I'm happy to be back in the theater. That's what I'm saying. Ang daming emosyon, ang daming feelings. I am older than Clint. So pagpasok ko, gagraduate na siya. Ang gulo, di ba? So, Clint taught me things about the costume department and the design department. And eventually, his thesis was directing The Tempest. And I was also involved in his thesis. And also because we became friends, tapos gustong-gusto niya akong paglaruan, ginugupitan niya ako. Hindi pa ako si Dora, ginupit niya yung bangs ko, ang iksi, hanggang dito. Tapos okay lang, kasi si Clint siya eh. Alam mo yun, yung may vision siya ng maganda, may vision siya ng bagay sa'yo, though hindi mo pa na-discover, siya alam niya na. After many, many years, when we are already somehow sumakses na kami. Tapos, na-rekindle yung friendship namin kasi umuwi na siya madalas sa Philippines. One day, na-realize ko nagpo-produce na siya. So parang, ay, ang galing. Parang paying it forward na si Clint. Nakakatuwa. Kasi kilala ko siya as a human being. Yung walang mga titles. Clint Ramos lang. And humahanga ako sa vision niya sa Filipino artists, especially sa theater, sa stage. He reminds me of our teachers. Yung mga unang naniwala sa amin, parang pinagpapatuloy niya yung quality. You know, yung dapat the Filipino artists are acknowledged and recognized as one of the best in the world. And then one day, naka-receive ako ng message. Would you like to be a part of Into the Woods? Sumabog yung ulo ko. Parang, ha? Ano to? Prank? Anong pinagtitripan ako ni Clint? So ako naman, parang, yeah, sure, why? Kailan? Saan to? Bakit? Anong meron? Ba't ako? Sabi niya, anong role? Ganyan. Tapos sabi niya, you'll be playing Jack's mother, opposite Jack. And sabi ko, okay, sinong Jack? Jack will be played by Nick Chen. Sabi niya ganon. Sabi ko, Nick Chen? Parang familiar. So anak ni Lea Salonga, sumabog ulit yung utak ko, grabe. Sabi ko, oh my God, yes, of course. Tapos sabi ko, kailan to? So sabi niya, sa July, parang November niya ako minessage. Ay, matagal pa pala, sige, go. Sige, go, July pa. Sige, wala pa naman ako nakabook. So all in all, it was really mind-blowing. At that moment, I knew already that this is gonna be a hit. And I'm so like ecstatic to know that I'll be a part of something really anticipated. Alam mo yon. But most of all, I was just so happy that my friend Clint, who is big now, Clint Ramos, still remembers me. So I'm just so happy. Jack's mom's role is potentially really funny because she's the one who, you know, her wish is very relatable. Let's be rich. I'm so tired of being poor. Yes, I already have played a lot of mother roles or a lot of auntie roles.
Bakit umiiyak ka?
Kasi best friend, gusto ko sana makita mo lumalaki ang anak ko.
Buntis ka ba?
Kung sinabi ko ba sa'yo buntis ako, papayag kang pakasal ako kay Elwood?
May sinabi ba akong gano'n? But this time, the main difference, and I think it's the most important thing that I should be learning so that it's really different from all my past roles, is to sing Sondheim, okay? The most exciting part for me, it's the most challenging, is to do it well, to do it right. Kahit siguro hindi perfect, but when people listen to me sing, ay, grabe, parang yun yung sa original. Wow. Ay, parang ganun. Yung, konti na lang, yun na yun. Yung parang, ay, sinulat talaga yung role para sa kanya. Oh, wow. Ayun, ganun. Yun lang naman. Siguro, nag-online selling si Jack's mom. Oo. Yung imay nyo ng imay, andyan lahat. Andyan yung mga ninakaw nila dun sa taas. Yung harp, lahat ng mga gold, ganon, yung baka, andun lahat. Kasi online selling niya yon. Kasi si Jack's mom talaga, gusto lang talaga niyang yumaman, maging donya. Klaro naman yun, di ba? Parang, siguro kasing yaman siya ni Small Loud. Yun, di ba? Ganon. Yung online selling tayo, tapos mag-ano tayo, yung mag-tour, mag-mukbang tayo, lahat ng kayamanan, di ba? Kasi ang hirap talaga maging mahirap eh. So, pagod na talaga si Jack's mom doon. So, let's give her a chance. Yun na nga. Papunta na tayo dun sa mga tinitake home na mga lessons at mga realizations. It's not all about money. It's not all about how rich you are in the material aspect. It's not about how rich you look as compared to other people. In the end, pagdating ng trahedya or pagdating ng crisis, you would only want to see your family, your loved ones, safe and close to you.